Like and subscribe if your brain loves random but awesome facts. Let's go. Ever wonder why yawns are contagious? Like why do we copy someone else stretching their face like a zombie? Turns out, yawning when someone else does might be a sign of empathy. Our brains mirror what we see, especially when it comes to people we care about. It's your body saying, "Hey, I feel you. I'm tired too." Even dogs yawn when their owners do. But here's the weird part. Psychopaths don't catch yawns. Yep, zero empathy, zero yawns. So if you just yawned, congrats, you're not a psycho. Ever wonder why? Now you know. Like and subscribe for more whimsical factoids.